Now, I was also mentioning the modularity, which would be great. And with that, I was, of course, referring to the fact I already explained. You want to split up your application over several files, modules, and then if you need some module in one file, simply throw in an import at the top and have all the code from this file available. The reason you might want to do this is that you don't want to have like 30 imports in your HTML files with the script tags, and then also keep a close eye to the ordering. And whenever you change something, some dependency, you need to change the ordering, and that is close to impossible to manage and really no fun. Therefore, it would be great if you could import and export modules in JavaScript, but you can't by default, at least not with ES5. The great thing is there are packages or tools which still add this functionality. And what those tools do is they will simply allow you to use modules during development, and then for deploying or running your application, they will manually figure out the dependencies you set up during development and either import the files in the correct order automatically or bundle them all together into one file, still keeping the correct ordering for everything to work. Now, there are a lot of popular choices, and again, this is content for its own course. But a popular choice is Webpack, for example, and you might start on its official GitHub page here, which is github.com/webpack. And there you will find links to the documentation and so on. And again, this is really something on its own to learn, but it's worth it. An alternative is System.js, which unlike Webpack is less of a tool setting up everything. It's more like a script you throw into your project, and then it will automatically import files in the correct order for you. So this allows you to only have one import in the end, script System.js, and then it will automatically import the rest for you, which of course is great. And it will figure out what it needs to import depending on the, modules and the dependencies with imports and exports you set up in your project. So here again, the GitHub page, system.js/system.js is a great starting point, as well as Googling for it. And you might also be interested in something like JSPM, JavaScript Package Manager, which allows you to easily add libraries to your project and also use System.js to, load everything together in the right order and also prepare it for deployment with bundling, minification, so optimizing it by size and so on. And again, here jspm.io is a great page to get started and dive into the documentation. And once you are there, you will better understand how all of that works, how you actually do import and export files. But as I said, that really is a topic on its own and far beyond the scope of this course, which was about plain JavaScript and nothing but plain JavaScript. But this is certainly an interesting next step, and I just wanted to give you the resources so that you know where to get started to dive into this deeper. I'll see you in all the other videos, and I wish you all the best.